Hi, my name is Jim Knox. I'm a resident of Middleborough, and I'm strongly opposed to the casino for many reasons. Tonight I will talk about the process of consideration failure regarding the vote taken to proceed with the agreement. This hearing has been called as a consequence of an agreement. The following information calls into question the legitimacy of the agreement itself. The agreement was signed in response to a vote on Article 2 of the warrant, but the vote was taken without any discussion or debate. The following quote is from the Massachusetts Practice Series on Municipal Law, Chapter 7, Town Meetings, from the Law Library at Brockton Superior Court, 7-1, Open and Limited Town Meetings. Of the open town meeting, the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court has said, each qualified inhabitant of the town has an indisputable right to vote upon every question presented as well as to discuss it, or there is no town meeting. This is universally understood as the vital feature of the town system of government, as practiced in the Commonwealth continuously from a time long before the Declaration of Independence until the present. The following quote is from Robert's Rules of Order from the Law Library of Brockton Superior Court. Rules governing debate. Debate, rightly understood, is an essential element in the making of rational decisions of consequence by intelligent people. In a deliberative assembly, this term applies to discussion on the merits of a pending question, that is, whether the proposal under consideration should or should not be agreed to. That the right of debate is inherent in such an assembly is implied by the word deliberative. Following is a summary of the proceedings at town meeting. The moderator stated there would be three elements of consideration of Article 2. First would be a question and answer period regarding any part of the agreement. Lines would be referenced and meaning clarified. Second would be presentations by 10 pre-appointed citizens. 5 of those citizens were in favor and 5 were opposed. Note that these 10 were not representatives chosen by the voter body. Third would be the discussion and debate on the agreement itself. Voters were asked to wait and hold all comments pertaining to the agreement until the presentations had been completed. Immediately following the presentations, a motion to move the question was made amidst much voter outrage. If the motion to move the question had been made after discussion and debate had begun or was in progress, then the motion would have been appropriate, since the motion is used to curtail discussion and debate. We all recognize and have observed the volatility of town meeting where, unlike in an election, voter sentiment in one direction can be completely turned by a single speaker whose impassioned delivery provides a new clarity of perspective. This was not allowed to happen in Middleborough. The premature motion to move the question prior to any discussion and debate denied voters of Middleborough participation in and mortally flawed the consideration process, thereby putting in serious question the validity of the resulting vote and thereby the legitimacy of the agreement itself. Thank you.
Next is Wayne.